In this video, I'm going to show you how to add email addresses to save senders list in Gmail. So now this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you need to do is to go ahead to the right side on this contact tab. Then after clicking on it, just go ahead, click on create a contact. Then after that, just go ahead and type in the first name, last name, email, and phone number of your contact, and it will be automatically added to the Safe Senders list in Gmail. So go ahead after that, just click on save, and you should be good to go. So this was how to add email addresses to Save Senders list in Gmail. And I hope this video was helpful. As always, thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.